In this video, I will show you how to connect Shopify to Payoneer. From the left-hand menu in your Shopify dashboard, click on Settings, then go to the Payments section. Here, under Payment Providers, select the option to choose a provider. In the search bar, type Payoneer and you'll see an option labeled Payoneer Checkout Native Cards Supports 3DS. Click on it and then click Install. This will redirect you to another page. Once you're there, click Install again and wait for the application to finish setting up. Now you'll see a message saying you're not yet accepting payments. Click on Manage Account and you'll be directed to the Payoneer login page. Accept the cookies if prompted, then click Sign In. Enter your login credentials, and once signed in, it may take a few moments to fully connect your Payoneer account with Shopify. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. For more tech videos like this, subscribe. Catch you later.